Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jack and Amma. I'm Jack, your English teacher.
And I'm Amma, the student who makes all the mistakes so you don't have to.
In today's lesson, we're going to learn real English that native speakers use every day.
So grab your tea, your coffee, or your chai, and let's start learning English the fun way. Today's video is a little personal for me because I have an embarrassing confession.
Uh-oh, every time you say that, I know a funny story is coming. What happened this time?
Well, for years, I went to restaurants and survived using only 3 things: pointing at the menu, smiling awkwardly, and hoping for the best.
Wait, you're telling me you ordered food without actually speaking English?
Exactly! If the waiter asked me a question, my brain would immediately stop working.
Trust me, Amma isn't alone. Millions of English learners have the same problem.
That's why today's lesson is so important. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say at a restaurant, from walking in the door to paying the bill.
No more pointing at the menu. No more nervous smiles. And definitely no more pretending you understood everything.
Plus, we'll practice real conversations, learn useful phrases, and test your skills with a fun quiz at the end.
So if you've ever felt nervous speaking English at a restaurant,
this lesson is for you.
Ready?
Let's go!
Good evening. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
Yes? No?
And there it is, live in front of everyone.
This is so common. When we don't know the right words, we just point and smile and hope for the best.
Don't worry, we've all done this. That's literally why we made this video.
Let's fix this together, step by step, from the moment you walk in.
Let's go!
Okay, everyone, we'll go through this exactly like a real restaurant visit, from walking in to reading the menu to finally ordering.
Let's start right at the door. First, walking in. The host will usually ask how many people are in your group. This comes up every single time, but a lot of learners freeze right here at the very first sentence.
Instead, just say,
"Table for 2, please." Or, "We have a reservation under the name Ali."
Let's hear it correctly.
Good evening. Welcome. Table for how many?
Table for 2, please.
See? Table for 2. Short, clear, done.
Repeat with us. Table for 2, please.
Next, when you don't understand a dish on the menu, like what even is bruschetta?
This one is so common, but instead of guessing, you can simply ask the waiter directly. Don't just point and hope it's good. Correct way.
Excuse me, what is this dish exactly? Or what does this come with?
Let's practice in a sentence.
Can I help you with the menu?
Yes, actually, what is this dish exactly? And what does it come with? What is this exactly, and what does it come with? Remember these forever now. Next, needing more time. So many people order too fast just because they feel pressured.
Okay, I will have this one. Sound familiar?
So instead, we just say,
Could you give us a few more minutes? Completely normal. No waiter will mind.
this phrase works in any restaurant, casual or fancy.
Let's hear the difference.
Are you ready to order?
Actually, could you give us a few more minutes? We're still deciding.
No panic, no pointing, just one simple, polite sentence.
Next, when you can't decide what's good. A lot of learners just stay quiet here too.
Here's the thing, waiters expect this question, and they're always happy to help.
Instead, just say,
What do you recommend? Or, what's your most popular dish?
let's hear it in a restaurant context. Have you decided? Not yet. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular today.
Clean, simple, and gets you a great answer every time.
And finally, for this section, allergies and dietary needs. This one is important, not just polite. A lot of people just eat quietly and hope for the best. Please don't do this. Correct way. I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this contain any? Or can you make this without nuts? Let's hear it correctly. Excuse me, I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish contain any? Let me check with the kitchen for you right away. Always ask clearly. Your safety is more important than feeling shy.
Okay, that's the first 5 phrases down. Let's do a quick recap before moving to actually ordering.
Quick recap. Table for 2, please. What is this dish exactly? Could you give us a few more minutes? What do you recommend? And I'm allergic to. Does this contain any?
Take a breath, repeat these once more in your head, and let's continue to actually placing the order.
Let's continue. This next part is the moment everyone fears most. Actually saying your order out loud.
First, the basic order. I want chicken. This isn't wrong exactly, but it sounds a little blunt in English.
A softer, more natural way exists, and it's actually easier to remember.
Correct way.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Or, can I get the grilled chicken?
Let's hear it.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please. I'll have. The magic phrase for ordering anything. Next, customizing your order. No onion is fine, but there's a more natural full sentence.
This is what makes you sound like a confident, natural English speaker, not robotic.
Correct way.
Can I get that without onions, please? Or extra spicy, if possible.
Let's hear it together.
Anything else?
Yes. Can I get that without onions, please? And extra spicy, if possible.
Without onions and extra spicy. Small phrases, big difference.
Next, asking for sauce or sides separately. Sauce separate sounds incomplete in English.
There's a specific phrase native speakers always use here.
Correct way.
Could I get the sauce on the side, please?
Let's hear it in context.
And could I get the sauce on the side, please?
Of course, no problem.
On the side. Remember this phrase. It's used constantly.
Next, when your food comes wrong. Most people just eat it anyway and stay silent.
So many learners do this, but you can politely point it out without sounding rude.
Correct way.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered the chicken, not the beef.
Let's hear it.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered the chicken, not the beef.
I'm so sorry. Let me fix that right away.
Polite, clear, and respectful, and you get your correct order.
And finally, if the food is cold. Food cold sounds incomplete and a bit rude.
A full, polite sentence makes a much better impression.
Correct way.
Sorry, this is a bit cold. Could you please warm it up?
Let's hear it correctly.
Sorry, this is a bit cold. Could you please warm it up?
Absolutely. I'll take care of that right now.
Calm, polite, and effective every time.
Amazing. That's the full ordering process. Let's see the complete recap.
Correct way.
Could I get the sauce on the side?
Let's hear it in context.
And could I get the sauce on the side, please?
Of course, no problem.
On the side. Remember this phrase. It's used constantly.
Next, when your food comes wrong. Most people just eat it anyway and stay silent.
So many learners do this, but you can politely point it out without sounding rude.
Correct way.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered the chicken, not the beef.
Let's hear it.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered the chicken, not the beef.
I'm so sorry. Let me fix that right away.
Polite, clear, and respectful, and you get your correct order.
And finally, if the food is cold. Food cold sounds incomplete and a bit rude.
A full, polite sentence makes a much better impression.
Correct way.
Sorry, this is a bit cold. Could you please warm it up?
Let's hear it correctly.
Sorry, this is a bit cold. Could you please warm it up?
Absolutely. I'll take care of that right now.
Calm, polite, and effective every time.
Amazing! That's the full ordering process. Let's see the complete recap.
Table for two, please. What is this dish exactly? Could you give us a few more minutes? What do you recommend? I'm allergic to. Does this contain any? I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Can I get that without onions, please? Could I get the sauce on the side? I think there's a mistake. I ordered, and this is a bit cold. Could you warm it up?
Honestly, if you knew even half of these already, you're doing great.
And if all 10 were new to you, don't worry. That's exactly why we're here.
Now, let's put all these phrases into one full, real conversation. This will help you remember everything naturally.
Good evening. Welcome. Table for how many?
Table for two, please.
Right this way. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
Could you give us a few more minutes? Also, what is this dish exactly?
That's our grilled chicken. Very popular. What do you recommend, you ask? Definitely that one.
Great. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Can I get that without onions and extra spicy, if possible?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes. Could I get the sauce on the side? Oh, and I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish contain any?
No peanuts in this one. You're all set.
Did you catch it? Table for two. A few more minutes. What is this exactly? I'll have, without onions, on the side, allergic to. 7 corrections in one conversation.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered chicken, not beef.
I'm so sorry. Let me fix that immediately.
Also, sorry, this is a bit cold. Could you please warm it up?
Absolutely. Right away.
I think there's a mistake, and could you warm it up? Handled 2 problems politely. No awkwardness at all.
Would you like anything else? Or should I bring the bill?
Just the bill, please. Could we pay by card?
And remember, could we get separate bills if you're splitting with friends?
Full restaurant visit, start to finish, all in natural, confident English.
3 full moments: ordering, handling problems, and paying. All phrases used naturally.
This is the real goal, not memorizing rules, but using them naturally in real situations.
Practice time. We'll say each correct phrase slowly, then at normal speed. Repeat both times.
Let's go.
Number 1. Table for 2, please. Table for 2, please.
Number 2. What is this exactly? What is this exactly?
Number 3. A few more minutes. A few more minutes.
Number 4. What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
Number 5. I'll have the chicken. I'll have the chicken.
Number 6. Without onions, please. Without onions, please.
Number 7. On the side. On the side.
Number 8. There's a mistake. There's a mistake.
Number 9. Warm it up, please. Warm it up, please.
Number 10. Separate bills, please. Separate bills, please.
Wonderful. You just practiced all 10 phrases out loud. Keep repeating these daily, and within a week, they'll become automatic. Okay, we'll describe a restaurant situation. You say the correct phrase before we give the answer. Question 1. The waiter asks if you're ready. You need more time. What do you say? Correct answer. Could you give us a few more minutes?
Question 2. You don't recognize a dish name on the menu. What do you ask?
Correct answer. What is this dish exactly?
Question 3. You want fries instead of rice with your meal. What do you say?
Correct answer. Can I get fries instead of rice, please?
Question 4. Your food arrived cold. What do you politely say?
Correct answer. Sorry, this is a bit cold. Could you please warm it up?
How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments below.
If you got all 4, you are officially ready to order food confidently anywhere.
And that's a wrap. Today, you learned the full restaurant journey in English.
from getting seated to paying the bill.
You learned 10 essential restaurant phrases and their natural usage, real-life conversations using all phrases, pronunciation practice, and you tested yourself with our quiz.
If this video helped you feel more confident at a restaurant, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your story.
And please, like this video, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe if you haven't already.
In our next video, we'll cover ordering coffee like a pro. Because trust us, that's a whole different challenge.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember,
English with Jack and Amma, where every lesson is a new adventure. Bye-bye.